Today we are going to start the in-detail study of fundamental rights. So let's get started. So the fundamental rights are defined as the basic human rights of all the citizens. Previously we had just seen a gist of what are fundamental rights. Now we are going to study in depth about fundamental rights in the Constitution. These rights defined in Part 3 of Constitution. So these rights are defined in Part 3 of Constitution. Applied irrespective of race, place of birth, religion, caste, creed or gender. They have been enforceable by the courts, subject to specific restrictions as necessary for protection of public interests. Originally, the Constitution provided 7 fundamental rights. So originally, there were 7 fundamental rights. Fundamental rights. So those were right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right of freedom of religion, cultural and education right, right to property, and right to constitutional remedies. But right to property was removed from the list of the fundamental rights by the 44th Constitution Amendment. 44th Constitution Amendment Act 1978 removed right to property, and after amendment it was made a legal right. So at present there are only 6 fundamental rights which are described below in brief. So we'll be seeing all the rights one by one. Okay, I'll be showing you all the rights and their detailed description. So first, before that, I'll just say that I'll just summarize it, that right to equality is in Article 14 to 18. Right to freedom is in Article 19 to 22. Right against exploitation is in Article 23-24. Right to freedom of religion, which is very popular nowadays due to anti-conversion law. It is very much in current affairs. So freedom of religion is Article 2515. So actually it's Article 25 and then sub-article. So I'll just write 25 only over here, so just don't get confused. Article 25. Then right to cultural and education, that is cultural and education rights, are in Article 29 to 30. Property, right of property was actually Article number 31, but it was removed from the Constitution. So you can just remember that it was Article 31, but no need to include anywhere, because right now only 6 fundamental articles are there. Right to constitutional remedies is in Article 32. So these are the basic 6 fundamental rights that you have to remember. Again, remember that there were originally 7 fundamental rights, but right to property was removed from Constitution by the 44th Constitution Amendment Act in 1978, which was Right to Property Act was actually Article 31. Okay, in Article 31. So this was the basic of fundamental rights. Now we'll be seeing in detail what are all these fundamental rights and where they are included and how they work. Okay, so stay tuned to our channel for more such content. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.